Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford Fusion, this generation here from year 2013 to year 2020. If you have one of those, if you need to find where the generator fuse is located, that's the generator that charges your battery. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can find it. It's extremely hidden, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays with a good price, quick shipping. That way you do not waste money and time. Why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. So let us tell you a little bit about us, guys. When we get a car here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 free repair videos absolutely to you guys. We make a video about every single fuse, every single relay. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, your car doesn't start, you can easily identify what causes that. You can search for engine starter fuse, fuel pump fuse. Let's say that's a problem, you replace it, you're back in the road. It takes less than 2 minutes to watch the video, guys. So that will be, guys, our mission to make your life easier and to solve your problem. Now, in addition, guys, we have other channels as well. We make 300 free repair videos on every car we get at the garage, take them completely apart. We do engine work, transmission, body work, engine codes, fuses, anything like that. Now, why we do that? To save you money, guys. So on this Ford Fusion there are different years, okay, through the different models through the years from 2013 all the way to 2020. There will be some minor differences about the fuses. So if you notice that we mention up to 2-3 different fuses for the same thing, it could be because it could be a different fuse for a different year, but we're trying to help all of you with that generation Ford Fusion. So let's start on it now. Guys, the generator fuse, where you can expect to find it, we will demonstrate on this generation Ford Fusion right here. You guys have multiple fuse boxes. Today we'll be working in one that's under the hood, but it's hidden. We have special video about fuse box location on Ford Fusion. Check it out. Go ahead, open the hood. Here, guys, on the driver's side you see that cover that looks like a T here. Okay, remove it. Underneath is the main engine fuse box. If you release a couple tabs, you can leave that fuse box, and on the bottom you have more fuses. None of those are for the generator. But if you grab that whole fuse box, you lift it up, on most models underneath you'll find a hidden fuse box that's known as high current junction box. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So another thing, guys, before I forget, if you guys need to buy any fuses, relays, parts, tools for Ford Fusion or any car at a good price, quick shipping, we'll put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. That way you do not waste your money and time. So guys, here now, okay, we need to check one fuse, then we need that's a main fuse, then we need to go to a different fuse box and check 2 more. Here we're talking about that mega fuse right here. It will be anything between 175 and 200 amps depending on which engine you have. Now here, guys, under that cover that looks like a T, that's the main engine fuse box. Here we need to check 2 more, and we're specifically, guys, talking about fuse number 46. It will be under that relay right here. You're going to have a fuse. We couldn't take a clear picture of that, guys, and you will need to check fuse number 55, which will be that double fuse. You will need to check that portion of the fuse right here on the bottom. Guys, hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.